Realized you lost your credit card right before paying? Looks like it's time to report it. All you have to do is, Step 1. On the dashboard, select your credit card. Step 2. Select card settings. Step 3. Select report card. You will be prompted to lock your card before you proceed for safety. By locking the card, transactions will be prevented from coming in as the card is being reported. After locking your card, you may proceed to report the card. Step 4. Enter the one-time password you will receive on your registered mobile number. Step 5. Arrange details for your card replacement. Provide your preferred delivery details and a landmark. Step 6. Choose a reason why the card is being reported, either lost or stolen. Input the details of the incident. Step 7. Review the details carefully before tapping Block and Replace Card button. Your card replacement will be processed and a new card will be delivered within 5 to 10 banking days. Better safe than sorry. Best to report your card so it can be deactivated and replaced instantly through the UnionBank Online app. Download today.